To get a much better inner thigh workout at home, take any empty container, like a crate, a small trash can, a box, or an empty bucket, like I'm about to use. And then you're going to place weights in that container. Right now, I'm placing 30 pounds or three 10-pound plates in my empty bucket. But you can use rocks, sand, or anything heavy for weights. Next, you're going to grab the chair and brace yourself, and that's when you can start using your brand new inner thigh machine. Make sure your working foot isn't touching the floor or at least an inch off the floor. And just slide it over as far as you can before switching legs. But you need to make sure you're using the right amount of weight. On the left, I'm not using enough weight. I can basically kick the weight across the floor, and on the right, I'm using way too much weight. I have to twist my body into a pretzel and use other body parts just to get the heavy weight to move. So again, as you can see, this weight is perfect. It's enough weight where my foot has to stay attached to the container the entire time. Only my inner thigh muscles are working, and yes, you can also work on your outer thighs. Now you have a fully functional inner outer thigh machine you can play with. But before you do that, watch this trick to get a flat stomach in 3 days.